भाई आज मेरे साथ एक ऐसे शख्स हैं जिन्होंने एजुकेशन की फील्ड में अपनी यह मांग बना दी है। जी हाँ, मेरे साथ इस वक्त हैं ग्रास एकेडमी के सीईओ। चलिए उनसे बात करते हैं और जानते हैं कि आखिरकार ग्रास रूट एकेडमी है क्या। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेलकम सर।
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
सर प्लीज हमें बताइए, हमारे व्यूअर्स को बताइए ग्रास रूट एकेडमी के बारे में।
देखिए, सबसे पहले तो मैं ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि जो ग्रास एकेडमी है ये एक प्राइवेट मनी मेकिंग वेंचर नहीं है, इट्स अ सोशल एंटरप्राइज एंड इन दिस व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू डू इज टू सेट अप स्किल डेवलपमेंट एंड एम्प्लॉयमेंट सेंटर्स and that too in class C and B towns and semi-urban and semi-rural areas where we can provide the basic skills for livelihoods, where like a short-term 2 months course in, let's say, mobile repairing. So that 2 months course will help a kid who has done 7th or 8th in a school. He doesn't have anything else to do and he's trying to find a job. So that 2 months of a short-term course will help in getting a job in a mobile repairing center, or in fact he can set up his own mobile repairing corners. So that is the way we work. Like we have different courses in bedside assistant, that is basic nursing. We do that. We provide courses in technical things like basic electricals, basic electronics, basic computers, soft skill. We provide courses in tailoring, a beautician course. So these are all the job-oriented short-term courses that we do.
सर जो ये कोर्सेज की बात आपने की, तो क्या आप किड्स जो फीस जो होती है उनको कुछ देनी पड़ती है?
नहीं, देखिए ये कोर्सेज जो हैं ये फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट हैं और ये सारे कोई भी स्टूडेंट हमारे पास आ सकता है जिसको थोड़ा सा भी पढ़ने के लिए चाह है, और ये कोर्सेज हम जो है बच्चों को फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट देते हैं। इसकी कोई भी चार्जेस हम लोग नहीं लेते हैं।
तो सर अगर बात की जाए तो कौन लोग ऐसे हैं जो आपको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं इस एकेडमी में चलाने के लिए?
देखिए, पहली बात तो जो ये एकेडमी है इसके पीछे इसमें बेसिकली 3 फाउंडर मेंबर्स है, और इसमें क्या हुआ कि 2 फाउंडर मेंबर्स और द प्रमोटर्स आर फ्रॉम IIM Calcutta. They are having their own huge businesses. One is Globus Spirit, it's a 1500 crore company. A Market Vision, which is another a multi-million company based in Dubai. They have actually funded this venture, and since they want to give it to the society back, the education. So initially we started that way, but slowly Government of India has started helping us. The central government has made us a certified vocational training provider under PPP mode, where the funding is done by the central government for these kids. The kids are supposed to just come to the academy, learn their skills and start earning, start doing a job. The funds will come from the central government itself. So it's basically a central government initiative which has been supporting us in a big way.
Okay, if you talk about places, and how many places is it running right now?
Right now we have set up 20 centers, and majorly 10 centers in Uttar Pradesh. Then we have Rajasthan, Delhi and Haryana. Initially we have started with these 20 centers, and we are planning to make around 50 more centers in this coming year, and around 115 total 2012. So that's our spread.
Last question I would like to ask you. Do you want to say anything to the viewers?
I'll suggest one thing to the viewers, that without basic education there is nothing possible in this world. And please, all of you, I'll expect this from all the viewers from your channel, that they should at least help the people around them to get at least basic skills in their hand, because that's the future. Without skills, only bookish knowledge will not count. Mere degrees will not work. You have to have technical skills in hand. So please make sure your friends, your sons, your daughters, they should get some kind of technical knowledge also.
थैंक यू सो मच सर। भाई हर कोई अगर ऐसे ही सोचे, जो एजुकेशन को जो उन्होंने लिया है सोसाइटी से, सोसाइटी को देने का सोचे, तो फिर सोसाइटी वाकई में बहुत ज्यादा सक्सेस कर पाएगी। भावना कपूर, TheNewsBond.com, लखनऊ।